Earlier in this course, we learned about business games and game-based simulations. Clearly, gamification has useful applications in training and development. Game design can enhance engagement by delivering content through short, interactive sessions and by facilitating interaction between trainees. Interaction that is sometimes collaborative, sometimes competitive, depending on the goals of the training. Games also provide feedback in terms of points and levels and comments from the trainer and from other learners. Some games use what are called digital twins. These are digital duplications, digital replications of concrete and abstract concepts that can be manipulated in a 3D world. For example, a game-based simulation may use a digital twin of a piece of equipment to teach trainees how it works and how to fix it. With a few clicks and moves of the mouse, they can rotate the piece of equipment, take it apart, and watch animations that demonstrate how the different pieces work together.